Good morning, children. Today we are going to do our workbook. Take out your workbook. Take page number 41. There, color the circles as yellow, squares as blue, rectangles as red, triangles as given. Here, there is a given a figure of or a picture of a clown. You have to color it. That you have to do as homework. And in page number 42, question number B, you have to color the house given. Now, question number 2. Given below are some shapes. Count the number of rectangles, squares and triangles in them. Here given two pictures, two shapes. You have to count the number of rectangles, triangles and squares given in that. So in the first picture, first question is number of rectangles. You have to count the number of rectangles. Let us see where are the rectangles here. So let us start from here. This one is one rectangle. This one big one is one rectangle. Number 2, second rectangle is this one. Then vertically third rectangle. This one is fourth rectangle. Okay, see in this box you can see 5. This one sixth rectangle, 7, 8. This one is 9. This one is 10. This one is 11 and this one is 12. Here you can see 4 more rectangles also. See from here. Up to 12 we have already found out. Now this one is 13. This is a rectangle. This one from here. From here to here is one rectangle. So 13. This one is 14. Then from here. This one is 15 and this one is 16. So total number of rectangles in this figure is 16. Okay. Now number of triangles. You have to count the number of triangles in the figure. See where are the triangles? You can see here in this box you can see the triangles. 3 triangles are there. 1, this one is 2, this one is 3. Here also 4, 5, 6. This one 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many triangles are there? There are 12 triangles. Now number of squares. You can see this one is a square. This big one is a square. So 1 and here 2. And this one is 3, this one is 4 and this one is 5. So how many squares are there? There are 5 squares. So write in your workbook number of rectangles 16, number of triangles 12 and number of squares are 5. Okay. In the next figure, see number of squares. You have to find the number of squares in this figure or in this shape. So starting from the outer one, this big one is a square, first square, and it is divided into 4 squares again. So 1 already got this big one, then 2, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one, this is the fifth square, and this one is the sixth square. So how many squares are there? There are 6 squares. Now number of rectangles. The whole shape is divided into how many rectangles? Let us see. 1. This is the first rectangle and this is the second one. 1, 2 already we got, and this is the third one. This is a third rectangle and this one is the fourth rectangle. So how many rectangles are there? There are 4 rectangles. Next is number of triangles. How many triangles are there? Let us find out. Okay, here in this figure 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, here 4, this one is 5 and here is 6, this one is 7, 8. You have already got 8. Now this one, this big one is 9 and below also like this 10, and this side, this one 11 and here this one is 12. So how many triangles are there? There are 12 triangles. Okay. Now moving on to the next page, page number 43. Take page number 43. Some figures are shown below. Find the biggest rectangle in them and color it as red. You have to find the biggest rectangle from the figures. Okay, so in this first figure you can find out it easily. This one is the biggest rectangle. You have to color them red. I have just drawn the boundary line. You have to color it, fill it with color. Okay, so you have to color it as red. This rectangle you can color it as red. In the second figure C, this one is the biggest rectangle that you can make. Here let us count the how many boxes are there downwards. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. How many are there? 11 boxes are there. When you take this, let us see how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 only. If you take like this, only 10 are there, but when you take like this, there are 11 boxes, and length 11 boxes you will get, breadth 3 boxes here. If you take this, there are only 10 boxes as length and only 2 boxes as breadth. So this one is the biggest rectangle that you can make in this figure. In the next figure, see, this one you can do it easily, because you can easily find out that this is the biggest rectangle that you can make in this figure. Okay, next figure C. In the next figure, see, this can be the biggest rectangle that you can make, because here there are about 17 squares in length or downwards. Let us find out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Only 16 are there as length downwards, and for 4 squares for breadth. Okay, if you take here let us see. If you take this will be a small one. How many are there? Let us count from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 only are there. If you take from here to here, only 15 are there as length. Here we got 16, and here also if you take in the same length, here from here also only 15 is there. So this is the biggest rectangle that you can make. So color like this, color these boxes full red, fill it with red color. Okay, I have just drawn the border lines only, you can fill it. Next, moving on to the next page, page number 44. In page number 44, corners and edges. Given below are some figures. Draw lines to match which figure is having straight edge and which one is having curved edge. One has been done for you. Remember, if the edges of the shapes are curved lines, then it is called curved edge, and if the edges are straight lines, then it is called straight edge. So if the edges of the shapes are curved lines, if the edges of the shapes are in curved lines, it is called as curved edge. Okay, whether the edges are made of straight lines, it is called straight edge. So let us see which given objects have curved edge as well as straight edges. See here, different objects are being given here. You have to find out which have curved edge as well as which have straight edge, and you have to match it accordingly. Okay, so this object, see the lamp, the shape of the lamp is curved. See, this is a curved object, so you have to match from here to this, curved edge to this. Okay, next clock, already given in the picture, already matched in the picture. Next one, this is a square piece. It looks like a whiteboard, and it is having straight edge. You can see this is having straight edge, and it is having corners also, so match to the straight edge. This is a lens. It is curved in shape. It is round in shape, so it is having curved edge, so match to curved edge. What is this? This is a bottle of Coca-Cola. It is in the shape of the cylinder, and it is round, so and it is having curved edge. Okay, so match it to curved edge. Next one is a book. It is having straight edges. You can see straight edges and match with the straight edge. Now next page, take the next page. Complete the table. One has been done for you. You have to complete the table as given. First example already completed by them. Let us move on to the next one. This is a scale. You can see this is a scale. You have to find out whether it has corners. Do the scale have corners? Yes, you can see the corners for the scale. Number of corners. How many corners does the scale have? Let us see. 1 2 3 4. So how many corners are there? There are 4 corners. So write number of corners 4. Next, number of edges. How many edges can you see in this scale? There are 4 edges. 1 this one is second, and this one is third, and this one is fourth. So how many edges are there? There are 4 edges. Next, see, you can see a ball. Do this have any corners? No. Why? Because this is round in shape and it is having a curved edge. So this ball do not have any corners. See, it do not have any corners because it is round in shape. And number of corners, no corners, so 0. Is there any edge? No, there is no edge, so 0. Now this is a blackboard. You can see the blackboard. Do this have corners? Yes, it is having corners. You can see corners here. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 4 corners for this blackboard. So write here whether it has corners. Yes. How many corners are there? 4. And how many edges can you see for this board? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many edges are there? There are 4 edges. Next, you can see an orange here. It is round in shape. The shape of orange is round. Do it has any corners? No, it has no corners. So write no because it is round in shape and it do not have corners. So number of corners is 0. Can you see any edge over there? No, there is no edge for an orange. So write 0 here. So you have to complete the table as given here. Okay. Now in the following figures, color blue to those which have corners and color red to those which have no corner. You have to find out the objects which have corners and you have to color the objects blue which have corners and color red to those which have no corner. See, this is having corner. So you have to color this blue. And this figure no corners. So this color this red. Okay. This question you have to do as homework. Question number 1 and question number 6 should be done as homework. Okay. So let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.